Hey everyone, Desiree here. So in this video, I'm going to do an unboxing, or I guess opening, of a brand new planner. This one is called the Palm Planner. Now I just got it in the mail a couple days ago, but of course I wanted to open it on camera with all of you. So as you can see, it came from Amazon. So let's go ahead and take a look. Okay, very nice. Now, I've been seeing a lot of these planners pop up on Instagram, other YouTube videos, and it's really a, these planners are just very, very simple and very, very affordable. And let's see if this will, yeah, so it's called the Palm Planner, and I got the pink color. And it seems like now that, you know, the planners, notebooks, stationery, journaling community is very, very popular right now. It seems like so many planners are starting to pop up and show up on the market. So I think that's good, but I also think it's bad in a way, because it means like a lot of people are getting overwhelmed with what kind of planner they should use and what they should choose. You know, and I totally get that. I thought it was overwhelming many years ago when I first got involved in the community, but now even more so. But anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at this planner up close. And like I said, this is called the Palm Planner. I hope this will focus. Let's see. Okay. Happy planning. We always have your back. And it looks like a little coupon code in case you're interested. And it says, "Welcome to the Palm Planners Tribe. The theme of this planner is Journey, the journey of you." Okay. There's the little card. So I got the undated monthly and weekly planner. Plan, achieve, and stay on track. Happy planning, we always have your back. Hardcover, full year planner. Now this is very, very similar to some other planners that I have tried and unboxed recently. So this is, I'm pretty sure it's like an A5 size, or what would be like a half letter size planner. And as you can see, it's got the elastic closure, and then I can see the little bookmarks here on the bottom. Now I really do like the cover. It's just got like some type of a coating on it, I guess. You know, it feels very, very soft. And then here you can see the belongs to page, favorite quote to live by. So you've got your year at a glance pages here, 2019, 2020. And the pages do lay flat, which are very good, is very good. The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams. Love that quote. You have a vision board. First page here. And then you have some really nice quotes. And then it has define your goals the smart way. Specific, measurable, attainable, realistic, and time-bounded. So you get a few pages for your goals here. Then it looks like you go right into the monthly section. And I really like the layout of this. Now, as I've said before, in a lot of these planners, I don't care for the months all together. I like to have 1 month and then 4 weeks, and then 1 month and the 4 weeks or 5 weeks, however many weeks it is. But okay, so you've got all your months, 12 months together. Then you go into your weekly section. And you have Monday. Oh, and you get a full box for Saturday and Sunday. I love that. Definitely a plus. Then you have kind of like a reflection here. So how was your week? And then a little notes box. Very nice. I really like the minimalist design of this planner. I like that they don't pre-label the boxes or the spaces for you. So you're free to use it however you want. That's a big thing for me with planners. I don't like when they tell you, oh, this should be your to-do list and this should be whatever. I really like, just give me the space and let me use it as I choose to use it. So you've got all your weeks together, and here's the bookmarks here. So let's jump to the back. So when you get to the end of the weeks, let's see, is there another page here? No. You go into a notes section. So you've got some lined notes pages in the back. Then you've also got a few dot grid pages here. I'm not sure if that's going to show up. Then you get a pocket here in the back, so you can put stickers or whatever in there. Now this planner does not have a pen loop, but that's okay because I actually prefer no pen loops. And then it does have the elastic strap closure. So very nice. Now this has a very, like I said, similar layout to other planners of this size and quality. As far as the paper quality goes on this, I'm going to say it's not horrible, but it's not, you know, really, really good. I would say it's pretty much your standard like copy paper. Again, I have not tried writing in it, so I don't know how it holds up to gel pens or fountain pens. But, you know, it feels okay. And I do like the layout. I do like the size. And I do like the way it feels. It feels not, like I said, not like a faux leather, but maybe like a vinyl kind of plastic cover. So, you know, if it were to get wet, you wouldn't worry too much about ruining your planner. And I'm sure you could probably wipe it if it got dirty. So that is the Palm Planner. And here is the info here, in case you are interested. Now what I'll do is I will definitely put a link down below in case you wanted to find out more about this planner. But you know, for the price, I do think it's pretty good quality, and I do like the size because it is easy to take on the go. And I will probably come back later on and do some planning in here and show you guys how I would use this. I'm thinking maybe I could use this as a planner for working out, you know, like a planner for me to take to the gym. So that's one idea. But anyways, that's going to be it for this video. If you have any questions about anything, feel free to drop those down in the comments below. If you're not subscribed, please make sure you do so because I do have a lot more videos to come. All right, everyone, thank you so much for taking the time to watch. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.